So, first time filling up the mini bike. It was a huge bill of 55 cents. I don't know, Nick. I don't know if we can afford to maintain this beast.
Dude, this thing is...
It's just too much of a...
I'm selling it. I'm selling it.
Too much fuel consumption. I don't know.
Are you kidding me?
It's just
like
not...
one of those over there.
It's not environmentally friendly.
Mustang didn't want smoke, so I'm 1-0. You Mustang said it's a win.
55 kilometers an hour. I don't know what that equals, but I'm pretty sure it's close to like 40 something.
I just want to keep riding it around. It's so much fun. Did you see when I got on it for like long enough that I like just let off for a second? Like, ah! I'm gonna start this. Let's get it. Yeah. Right there. So. Made space, pushed all the bikes over. Gonna get this Deadpool truck in here. You guys in the comments, you gotta help me convince Nico to name his truck Deadpool. It works perfectly. People coming. I'll yell when you're good. You want to just leave it in neutral and I'll pull it back for you? Like they're right there? Someone get up?
Finally back to working on the Daihatsu Hijet. I want to get the back rack put back on it. Headache rack? I don't know what you want to, whatever. That guy. But at some point somebody ripped off the little tie, whatever ear little guy. So I'm gonna try to make one for the other side. And I got this bolt right here that's about the right diameter, and I'm gonna heat it until it's probably glowing red. Try to bend it into shape first, and then weld it to that. And if that doesn't work, I'm just gonna shave off the other one. And if I ever want to strap something down, I'm shit out of luck. We'll see. I sanded it as best as I can because there's a lot of really tight spots where I can't really get my fingers in. So then I hit it with rust converting primer so that wherever I couldn't really sand, hopefully that'll take care of it and it won't keep rusting. So we'll let that dry, and tomorrow we hit it with some gloss black to match the rest of the accents on the truck, and we can throw it on if that dries fast enough. I got a nice coat of black lacquer on the back rack. Probably do one more coat before we're done and make sure it's a nice thick layer, because we're gonna probably beat it up a little bit, tying stuff to it.
Well, what do you want to say you're doing?
What I should
I
have
don't want
done
to
is
do any spoilers.
I should have done this before I painted the headache rack, but I didn't think about it until
Very, very nice, or very shiny. Nice black.
I didn't think about this until I came back with a pack of beer, because every garage needs beer. But so I'm putting a bottle opener on the side of the bed. Just
on the rack.
On the headache rack, just to be handy.
Right over yonder. Because like every meet we go to, like there's gonna be beers and people are gonna walk up and look at it.
Or even if we're in the garage.
So
I don't want to have to find an opener.
Yeah, it's right there. It's
right there. Yeah.
Perfect.
And because I can't just make any opener, I decided.
Yeah, you can't be any just little tab with a little knuckle.
I decided to make one that looks like my little truck. So I just gotta reinforce it and make a little tab off the roof where the headache rack would be on the little truck to catch the edge of the bottle.
For said bottle opening.
Just had one rough sanding stuff.
Alrighty. Back at it. This man's is giving me a headache right now.
We gotta get it looking right. So we're gonna pondo our little truck. It's on there. That really, really hurt.
Yeah, for a second I thought I smelled hair burning and
Yeah, you really don't want welts better in your ear canal. I can still hear though, so that's a good sign. Continue what Nick was working on yesterday, putting this little motor back together so we can get something else out of our feet. I brought my piston ring compressor, which I didn't have yesterday, so this is as far as we got. Now we can get that set in, see if we have compression now. Hopefully that was it. Otherwise, it's gonna have to be another a valve job, and I don't really want to do that. So much easier when you have the right tools.
no, we just
It's got gas. It's got
switched everything.
It's got an air filter that doesn't really do much.
We just put it back together and we're gonna
I never tightened the exhaust,
see if it.
so that's important. There we go. Fuel on, choke closed.
Well, we got farther than last time.
All the oil from before that got like sucked
Jammed
into
up in there?
The exhaust is now burning off. But it's
We did an engine rebuild.
It's running good and it's building pressure.
Yeah, it's holding it.
Yeah, there's a lot of oil in there. We need to run this outside to let it burn off. It's getting smoky.
Dude, we did an engine rebuild.
It worked. So I guess it was the rings.
Yeah.
They looked okay, but I guess they were just so worn. Well, I completely forgot to mention that we put the headache rack back on. Came out okay. The paint didn't lay down as smooth as I want, but for now, it's fine. Because I might end up adding to a roof rack to it, but we'll see when the time comes. But that's done.